In the startup world, Demo Day is like a product launch. It's where startups get to showcase the work that they've been doing over the last few months and bring the product to market in a high-pressure environment. There could be potential investors, employees, partners, or users, and the startups have to showcase the product to everyone. The reason that we do this is to simulate the experience that our students are going to have when they enter the startup world as entrepreneurs, as developers, as product managers, bringing an idea to life and bringing a product to market. But more than that, it's about having fun and bringing together the tech community to celebrate all of the hard work that our students put into the program, going from no coding experience to launching a tech product in just 9 weeks. That's a Wagon Demo Day.